Hello world, how are you? Welcome back to my another content and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna be share with you a new topic. The topic name is digital marketing tools. Top 5 free digital marketing tools every marketer should use in 2026. So please watch my full video and subscribe my channel. That's why I'll be able to see my all content. Even while I'll publish my every single content into my channel, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your digital marketing journey. So don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us, you and me. So this is time for let's begin. Number one is in 2026 digital marketing isn't about the having the biggest budget. It's about using the smartest tool. Like number one is Google Analytics. It's like ZA4. And why it's still having 2026? Why it's still must have in 2026? Can you guess this? This tool is very crucial, and this tool is very vital for every marketer. Why it's AI driven insight and event based tracking and IBC focused analytics. What marketer can do with it? Track website traffic and user behavior, identify top performing pages, and measure conversation without paid software. Can you guess this? Track track your website traffic and how long time they will spend in your website. You will track this process with these tools. That's why this tool is too much crucial. Identify top performing pages, like which page is best performing in last 28 days or last 19 days or last 7 days. You can identify it and measure conversation without paid software. So connect please the 4 with Google Search Console for the free SEO insight that is most beginner ignore. And number 2 is Google Search Console. Google Search Console is very common for every marketer. Like why every SEO marketer needs this tool? Show how Google actually sees your website and completely free from Google. And keywords, find keywords already ranking, find indexing and technical SEO error, improve your website CTR using real data. Number 3 is Canva for free version. This version is totally free. This is not paid version. That's why this version is too much popular in all over the world, because the user can use this without any kind of costing. That's why this is called a free version. This is not paid version. That's why it's too much famous all over the world. Right now, why Canva dominates visual marketing? Like AI design assistant, also drag and drops is a and work for non-designer. What you can create social media post, blog piece or image and YouTube thumbnail for reel and short visuals. And number 4 is this is called very easy version. This version name is ChatGPT. Like why AI is non-negotiable in 2026. Faster content creation, smarter ideas, and better productivity. Best uses for more marketer, like blog outline and drafts, YouTube script, add copy ideas, and email subject lines. Number 5 is mail ships. This is called a free version. Why email marketing is still wins. This is highest ROI channel. And number 5 is Mailship. This is called free version. Why email marketing still wins. Highest ROI channel and platform. Independent traffic. What you can do for free. Build an email list. Send campaigns and automate basic emails. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of theoretical part. Now I'm showing with you this all version with the practical version. So please watch my full video until it done.